This is my day 3 video. In this video, we are going to learn expression and variables in the Python. Expressions are the basic operation that Python perform the basic arithmetic operations like adding, multiplying the numbers. In the next slide, I am going to show the expressions. This expression, let's see the expression equation. 43 plus 60 plus 16 plus 41, that solution will be a 160. In this expression, 43, 60, 16, 41, these are the operands. The numbers will be operands. That is used for the operations. It's plus or the multiplication symbol or the divisions that can be considered as an operators. Now, 50 minus 60 is equal to minus 10. The result will be the negative numbers. Is also used in an expression. Then 5 asterisk 5 is equal to 25. This is a multiplication operation using the asterisk. Minus means subtraction. Star will be used for the multiplication. These are the operands. In the next, 25 divided by 5 will be a 5.0. 25 slash forward slash 6 is equal to 4.167. According to the Python version, we will use both the result in a float. In the next, if we use a double slash, then that will be result will be round off. In the next slide, both the expression 2 star 60 plus 30, that is 2 multiplies by 60 added by 30. In the next, 30 will be added to the 2 and 2 is multiplied by 60. In both the case, the Python perform a multiplication than addition to obtain the final result. In this expression, 30 plus 2, that is inside the parenthesis, into 60, that the result will be a 1920. First, the expressions in the parenthesis are performed first. So 30 plus 2, 32. Then multiply the result by the 60. Then we get the solution. In this slide, we are going to learn the variables. And the variables will be used to store the values. In the first case, my underscore variable is equal to 1. We assign a value of an 1 to a variable, my variable. You can use my variable underscore capital. We can be also use it instead of an underscore. That also considered as an variables. Here my underscore variable is equal to 1. My underscore variable is equal to 10. In both, we use a assignment operator. In the next, my variable colon 1, my variable colon 10. In this case, we use it to assign a value of 1. The x containing the value 43 plus 60 plus 16 plus 41. X value will be a 160. So x will having the 160. In the next equation, y is equal to x divided by 60. When 160 is divided by 60, then the y value will be a 2.6. Y is holding the 2.6 value. In the next slide, Here we got the in the previous we got the x value will be a 160. Here we are doing for the x for value. In the previous one we did for the y, so we get the y which is holding the value of 2.6. Here we are doing for the x which is holding the value of 2.6. In the next question, um, total mean is equal to 43 plus 42 plus 57. This will total mean will be holding the 142. After adding this all these digits, we get a 142. In the next question, the total hour is equal to total minute divided by 60. When we want to get the hour means we have to divide the total minute by a 1 by the 60. So the total minute will be a 142 from the above one. That will be divided by 60. Then we get the total hour as a 2.36. We use the underscore to represent here the total underscore minute. We are using underscore, and that underscore is used to represent the start of new word. Can also be a capital letters also can be used. If we modifies the value of the first variable, that is when we modify the total minute will be a 43, and 43 will be if we changes to the 50, and the total minute value will be a changed. And it is not necessary to change the whole code. Then if we change the first variable, then we get the total value as an total value will be also changed.